During the warm-up, students are asked to take a guess about what will happen to the sprites in the program window according to what they see in the code window. This is a fun lesson to help them understand how sprites move or behave according to the type of code that is entered in the code window. After they are done with the warm-up, they are directed to watch a video about how to make their own sprites.
It's time to dig into some fun features of Sprite Lab. The first thing to do is to set up a sprite.
After they watch the video, then they are directed to create their own sprites by using the command window, the code window, and also the choices provided in the code block column. Under sprites, they find the command to make a new sprite. All they have to do is drag the command to one of the insertion points, and a new sprite appears. In step 4, they are introduced to the location code and command. Once they design their sprite, they can change the location by clicking on the key in the location and changing the location of the sprite. Notice that all the activities have a text window explaining what are the steps to be taken. Then they explore how to change certain properties of the sprites they have created. In step 7, they will be exploring different behaviors that they can apply to their sprites. As in previous activities, it is important to follow the text in the text window. It contains the steps that students need to take. Step 8 contains several activities that students can choose from to practice their new skills. And finally, Step 9 provides students with more activities to explore in free play and also to see how others have used their code to change different aspects of the sprites.